Hey guys, welcome to my channel. ऐसे ही करते हैं. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So after I uploaded my last video, which was the Little Flea Market vlog, I was so overwhelmed and so happy after reading like all the अच्छे messages from my loved ones and all my friends. So I couldn't resist myself from filming another video. I've already filmed the same video before and I was editing it and I was like deleting the फालतू के clips, ठीक है? So I accidentally deleted the important clips and here I am filming the video again. So जो इससे पहली वाली video थी, that video had बहुत सारे bloopers. So I think I'll be adding few of the bloopers from that video to this video as well. As you guys can see from the title of this video, that I'll be showing you like demonstrating a look. It can be carried to college or if you're casually going somewhere, or even if like a daily makeup look. It can also be called as a no makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So right now I don't have any moisturizer or anything on my face. I've just washed my face. So the most important thing that you should know before applying makeup, or if you or if you want a long lasting makeup, is that you should prepare your skin well. Prepping your skin is very important if you want a long lasting makeup. So I'm gonna start with applying moisturizer. First, I use Cetaphil moisturizer. Well, I don't know if I have oily skin or I have a dry skin, because like I think I have a neutral skin, because ठंड में मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है और गर्मियों में बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली हो जाती है. सो आई डोंट नो, आई एम एक्सट्रीम्स. सो in winters I use products for dry skin, and in summers I use products for oily skin. So yeah, after I'm done with the moisturizer, I put some oil on my face. Usually I use the regular coconut oil, but these days I'm using this Indulgeo oil and Indulgeo rose gold oil, and this do wonders. Trust me, this do wonders. Just apply this much on your face, then just rub it off. And disclaimer, whatever I'm doing is what I do with my skin and what goes well for my skin. I'm not a beauty guru, so I'm just showing what I do, and you can also do the same if you wanna. You can already see that my skin is glowing, like literally glowing. Sometimes I like to go to college like this only, when like, you know, I'm lazy and I go to college I go to college like this only, but as I'm showing you, no makeup look for college. So next I'm gonna apply my favorite concealer. I'm applying the LA Girl Pro concealer. I'm in the shade Pure Beige. So I apply a little bit. I don't apply that much, I just apply a little bit under my eyes, otherwise it gets cakey for me. I just apply randomly anywhere. Next you can use a brush or a beauty sponge to dab it. And yeah, I don't apply foundation or on daily basis, because I don't know, I think concealer do all the work for me. Like I love this concealer because it makes my skin like एकदम से even. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah.
One eternity later.
So yeah, after it's all blended, you can set your concealer. Like, I use this Maybelline compact to set it, but these days I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm in the shade light medium. It looks like this. I use this. I applied here. Shit, मैं फिर से भूल गई कि मेरे पास मिरर है. स्पेशली मिरर निकाला था. Everything in this video is very random. That I don't have any like pet wo कि मैं यहाँ लगाती हूँ, यहाँ लगाती हूँ. I just applied anywhere. Just anywhere. And everything is set. Next, I like to go in and apply some blush. So I use the Illegal blush collection in Spice. This have like 2 blush, 1 bronzer and 1 highlighter. So I'm applying blush using this brush I got from Miniso, whatever you guys call it. This is, isn't it like so cute? I am obsessed with unicorns, like literally obsessed with unicorns. So जैसे मैंने देखा था ना, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पागल हो गई थी. I don't like coral blushes, like जो बहुत ज़्यादा pinkish tone में होता है ना. I don't like these. I like those which are in like orangey peachy types. I like those, and I think this one is perfect for that. I even apply some on my nose to give it that natural look. Yes, blush done हो गया. So next I go in for the highlighter. I use the Wet n Wild highlighter. I love applying highlighters, like no kidding. I love highlighters. You know, I apply a lot of highlighter. You know, मेरी मम्मा को पता नहीं हमेशा प्रॉब्लम होती है मेरे हाइलाइटर से. Whenever I apply a lot of highlighter, my mama is like, इतना चमक के कहाँ जा रही है आज तू and what not. मेरी मम्मा मुझे हमेशा टोकती है हाइलाइटर के लिए कि नहीं तूने बहुत ज़्यादा कर लिया ये वो. So you can see, whoa, did you see that? I love to glow. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in my lips using this Miss Clear lip liner. It's in the shade Sandy Pink, and it's the perfect if you like those nude colors which have some pinkish tone in it, like pinkish brownish nude, if you know what I mean. So yeah. And I even fill in my lips with this liner because जब तुम कॉलेज में होते तो like lipstick उतर जाती है ना, so at least you have a base underneath. So I'm done lining my lips and filling it also. Right now it's looking बहुत ज़्यादा pink, so I like to apply some brown nude shade to like neutralize the look and give it a brownish tint. You see? I have used the Nykaa lipstick, which is like there's not any shade, it's just number 1 written here. So yeah, this is my look, but yeah, I haven't applied mascara yet. I don't do anything else on my eyes, no eyeshadow or anything. I think I think mascara mascara I think mascara can make all the difference.
By the ocean, it's that tears that I feel, fill up with emotions.
2,000 years later.
Ocean, it's that tears that I feel, fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real?
I'm done with the regular college makeup look, or my go-to makeup look, or whatever you like to call it. Don't you guys think it's so glowy and so chic at the same time? I think it's perfect for the day when you want to look natural and put together at the same time. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. See you in the next video. Bye bye. And please ignore if you can hear any noise, as I'm sitting near the window and this is literally the only place where I get good lighting. So yeah. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, please like, comment and subscribe.